Welcome to Overdesync. In this episode we're going through how to program a replacement transmission control module in a Holden JG Cruze. So first off, click the vehicle button and go to the TCM tile. Once loaded in, we'll head up to the flashing tab along the top. We'll make sure that we have a battery charger or maintainer fitted, and once we do, we'll click the right button. We'll then get a pop-up indicating that it will wipe any custom tune that is on the TCM currently and put the factory tune on. When ready, we'll click OK. It will then begin downloading the required files for this module to suit this vehicle and then initiate the flashing sequence. I've fast forwarded the flashing here, but typically it takes a couple minutes to complete. It can take a bit longer as well if it needs to do an operating system update. Also, once it's done, we'll then see it will be doing the finalization flash routine and finally a pop-up indicating that it is completed. Once that pop-up appears, we'll go ahead and click OK. Finally, we'll then head up to the Learn functions where we can then perform our final task, which is the VIN Security link, which only takes a couple seconds to do. After that, it's all done. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Otherwise, we'll see you next time.